So I'm back again on this video. Today is Tuesday, as you always know, and I want to use this first day on Tuesday to appreciate everyone who watched my last video and everyone who do subscribe and also who liked that video. I want to say a special thank you to everyone who watched that video. So on this video, I'm back again on my weekly trade. As we know, it's a demo account and I'm trading a demo account until probably I will have a prop firm account. So I'll just have to implement the things I'm doing here. I'll just have to implement them in the prop firm account. So I have a good setup on Tuesday, and I've been waiting on the market to come to this level. I've been waiting since I think 6 a.m. in the morning. I've been waiting, and the market just came to this level around 10 a.m. So I'm in this trade right now, and as always, I will update you how the trade will go, how the trade will end up, and the time I close the trade. And let's just see what this new week brings to us. So stay blessed. I will update you. I'll get back to you when I close this trade. What's up, guys? I've closed out on this trade, and one of the reasons why I closed out on this trade is because the market has just been consolidating. The market has just been going back and forth, and I don't really like to be in a trade like that, especially when the market is just going up and down and your account is just showing red and blue. So I closed out on this trade, and I think I closed about $600 profit, $610 profit. So this is it for our Tuesday. I just basically need to trade again tomorrow, Wednesday, and hopefully we have a good setup. Or if by New York session I see another setup and the market is moving well in the New York session, I can also take another trade. Or if I don't, that means I won't make any record of it. So good day, guys. Welcome to this video. Today is on Wednesday, and I'm so excited because I have an entry already. I've been waiting for this particular setup to play out for the past 2 hours now. I've just been sitting on my laptop waiting on this setup. So on today's video, I'm going to try my very best to make sure that I allow the trade to run in profit. Today is either the market hit my stop loss or the market hit my take profit, or at least it might break even with a good amount of money. So this is a very nice setup, and let's just see what the end of this trade will turn out to be. And of course, I will update you at the end of the video. Good day, guys. So yesterday, just as promised, I said I was going to hold on to the trade. It's either the market hit my stop loss or the market hit my take profit. And guess what? I held on to the trade from 9 a.m. in the morning to 5 p.m. and the market was just consolidating. My account was just going back and forth. My account was just showing red and blue. But I still held on to the trade because the truth is that I have not taken profit. I've not been in a trade and then the market gets to hit my take profit ever once. So I wanted it to happen yesterday. I held on to the trade for a very long time, but the market was just consolidating and I could not make a record of that. But this is it on my trading journal. But I do close out on the trade with profit. I think I closed out with a profit of $600 and something. And also today's video, because I'm making this video on Tuesday, which I was supposed to make yesterday, Wednesday, but I went out. I was not with my laptop. That was the reason. So today on Thursday, I also had a setup and I've also closed the trade. This is the trade I took today on Thursday. So this was just the setup. I was just basically waiting for the market to come and fill this fair value gap here. So I was in the trade. I held on to the trade a bit, and I think I closed out on this trade with a profit of $1,000 and $1,500, something like that. So this is the trade for on Thursday. This is the trade for today, Thursday. So I've closed out on this trade. Now you see the market just rally. Let me just show you on the chart because today is on Thursday. So I've closed out on this trade now. In this particular place, I close out on this trade at this particular place. Close out on this trade at this particular place. So this is it. So this was the trade for on Wednesday, which is yesterday, and this was the end results for on Wednesday trade. The market, after so much rally, because I went in on this trade at this particular place, but the market rallied from 9 a.m. in the morning to 5 p.m. I was still on the trade. So yeah, my account was going from $1,000 to $500. So as I just opened my phone, I just saw my account in $600. I just said, okay, let me just close it, because I'm a day trader. I don't love to hold trade till the next day. So that was why. So this now is today's trade on Thursday, and this is the end result for today's trade on Thursday. So these are all the trade, and if it were to be a real prop firm account, I think I just need $1,000, not even up to $1,000. I think about $400 for me to pass the first phase, which is a 8% on a $100,000 account. So this is it for Wednesday and Thursday. We basically trade. I basically go again tomorrow, and hopefully I get to make $8,000 and then pass the first challenge, and then I will reset the account again back to $100,000. Then I will trade it up to $5,000, and if it were to be a real profit account, I will. Good day, guys. Welcome to the last day of this week, which is on Friday, and I have officially passed the phase 1 challenge on a demo account. Yes, I've been back testing this strategy on a demo account, and it's $100,000 demo account. So on this trade, what I was basically, the amount of money I was hoping to make on this trade was $230, because I already have a profit of $7,777. So I was just looking forward to make $230. So I did not want to make huge profit, because even if I make $1,000 on this trade, it will still be a waste, because I just need $230 to pass this challenge. So I really gave this position space to breathe. I gave it 25 pip stop loss, and I was just looking forward to cash. I think it's not even up to 2 pips. I'm looking forward to cash 3 pips. So I caught that 3 pips around this area here, and then I close out on the trade with $8,030. So that is it for the phase 1, because if it were to be a real profit account, I would have passed the phase 1 with $8,000. So what I will do with this account now is that I will have to reset the account. I will have to reset the demo account back to $100,000, and then, because I've passed the phase 1, and then trade it all the way up to $5,000 for me to be officially funded in a demo live account. So by next week, I will restart the account from back to $100,000, and then trade it to $5,000. So let me just give you a quick review of how long it took me for me to pass this challenge. I think it took me about a month and a half. No, it's not even up to a half. I think it took me about a month and 2 weeks. I started trading on this account on the 2nd of April, and then I passed it on the 2nd of May. It took me 1 month to pass the challenge, to pass the first phase. So this is it for this week trade. This week was very, very good, and I was really going deep in profit this week, and I really appreciate that. Also, this is Notion. This is where I journal my trade, and I'll make a video on this app, on this website or app that I use to journal my trade very soon. So let me just check some of the trade I took this week. Let me check the end results. So these were the end results, and what all this one means is that these were the plays that I close out on the trade. These are the plays that I close out on the trade. You can see I was in a drawdown from the account going to $105,000. The account went to $103,000, and then the account even went down to back to $100,000, $100,073. And then this week I took it to $100,003, $100,004 $167, $100,004 $798, $100,548. And then fast forward to today, I took it to $100,827. So this is it for this week, and I want to appreciate everyone who watched my last video and who has been following up on this challenge. I want to say thank you. And also next week I'll be going again, starting from zero. Let's see if I can pass the second phase by next week of 100,000 of $5,000, and hopefully until I will get my own prop firm account, and then I will just have to implement some of the strategies that I'm using. I'll just have to implement some of this strategy there in a live prop firm account, or when I finally get to buy a prop firm account. So this is it for this week. See you guys next week. I hope your trade went well this week. I hope you follow your rule. I hope you stick to your plan, and we are definitely getting to the top this year. See you next week.